is a project system? Project system. It is used for plan, manage, track the large scale projects from to start and finish. What is that? Means here, just wait. One person is looking. Wait. Yeah. Here, project system used for plan and manage, track large scale projects from the start and finish. Means here, what is the purpose we will use? So in the project system, what happened? There is a specific budget. There is a specific budget. That budget you have to plan, manage, and track. That is the purpose we will use. Okay. Next year, project system design here handle both small and massive projects. Small and massive. Do you know what is a small project? What is a massive? There is a construction project. There are the like as a small project, there are the big projects. Like a building a skyscrapers or developing new software organization in the big event. It break down complex job into smaller manageable parts system. Okay. There are the what happen here. We can see one example. Then we will understand. I will take the example, then what is the project system, you will understand. Okay. For example, here, project system. Okay. Project system. What is used for plan and monitor and track the cost. Track the cost. For example, ABC construction building. Okay. Construction building start from year July 1st to March 31st. It should be complete. Should be complete. And here, what is the plan value? Plan budget is 100 CR. Okay. And here there is a project. Okay. Project means there is a like here project system. We will create the project. Project definition. What is that is here. What would be ABC construction project? Okay. Project. And here under that there is a task WBS elements. Here what happened? There is a floor number 1 WBS element. Here floor number 2. Here what will you understand is you can see floor number 1, floor number 2. For example, there is a construction project. That construction project around how many floors? Around 5 floors. Let's assume 5 floors. Okay. They want to build 5 floors construction project. In that case, what happened? There is a WBS element floor number 3. Floor number 3. Here you need to understand what will you do is, and here WBS element floor number 4 and WBS element floor number 5. Let's assume number 5. We have to monitor. For example, here is a around WBS element floor number 1. There is a 10 CR. Let's assume they are monitoring. Okay. Here monitor and execute and track the cost. And here floor number 2, let's see there is a 20 CR. And floor number 3, maybe there is a 10 CR. There is a floor number 4 is like here 30 CRs. Okay. After that here around 30 CR. Let's assume 30 CR. Here what happened? You have the budget of 100 CR for the ABC construction project. There is a floor number 10. You assigned only 10 CR. If you track, you are exceeding. Example, here WBS element exceeding 10 CR in 2026 fiscal year. Then what happened? Fiscal year. Then there is financial planning team. There is financial planning team. They will track the cost. Team, they will track the cost of WBS element 1. Why? Budget is exceeding more than 10 CR in 2026. Okay, means here you will plan, monitor, track. Okay, you will do plan and monitor, track the cost. That is the purpose we will use project system. Like here, project system, we will use for capex purpose and OPEX purpose. Like here, CAPEX means capital expenditure. Capital expenditure means like a building, machines, like that. ECT. Operational expenditure means here there is a WBS element 1. Okay, they need bricks, okay, and need cement, okay, and they need water and electricity, like that. Okay, so in that case, what happened? Operational means daily we will use the operational purpose. CAPEX means capital expenditure. When we will use CAPEX budget, then it would be integrate with the investment management and project system also, we will use capital expenditure purpose. Means here there is a WBS element level 1 would be CAPEX WBS, and under WBS element sub level would be OPEX WBS. Okay, so here also we can maintain. After that, what happened? Finally, what happened? You have to settle. In there is a settlement process in the project system. Okay, we will use. Now this is a project and WBS purpose we discussed. Next, there is a network. Network means there is a network, means here track the activities. Network means track the activities. What are the activities here? For example, WBS, there is a WBS element floor number 1. What are the things required here? Activities. One activity would be bricks. Okay. Second activities, there is a cement. Third, there will be like here electricity. And after that, there would be like here electricity. And fourth would be like water. Okay, supply. Okay, these are the activities. Means network means it will track the activities. So these are the called activities under networkings. Means in the project system we have the WBS projects along with the networks. Under the networks here there are the like here confirmation. There is the relationships. Okay, scheduling. Okay, third one is scheduling process. Means here like here WBS element floor number one, okay, how many days it will take the construction for bricks, bricks. Like here, it would be around, for example, 10 days, 1 month. Okay, 1 month. What would be the scheduling process here? July 1st to July 31st. This is the first activity. Second activity, what would be that under the WBS element level? Cement coating. Okay, there is a coating. Here it will take the 10 days from August 1st to August 10. Okay, there is a second scheduling. Third scheduling, there is a third one is what would be that? Third activity would be there is a electricity. Electricity would be like here, there is a 5 days. Like here, it will take the from August 10 to August 15. Okay. So these are the activities. Activities comes under, there is a network, it will track the activities. There is a days means there is a scheduling process. Okay, you need to understand. Next, there is a relationships means there is a start to finish and start to start, and there is, and what is that? Start finish to start means here activity one, what is that? Bricks. Once here bricks, it is the start to finish relationship, start to finish. Yes, finish means after the activity one bricks completed, then it will start with the second activity. What is that? Cement. Okay, cement coating. Like here, once active one is completed, then it will start the second activity, cement. This is also start to finish. Okay, these are called relationships. Next, after that, there is a confirmation process. Confirmation means, let's say there is like a, for example, bricks completed 50% work, 50% work. Then you will confirm. There is a confirmation also we have. Next, there is a milestone activity. Milestone. Okay. Milestone means like here, when 50% work completed, there is customer is expecting, sorry, completed, there is a vendor, 50% work is completed. Like here, there would be building process. Okay, be building process for the 50%. Okay, milestone activities. So these activities we have. Next year, project system integrated with the project system integrated with the SD project system integrated with the FI project system integrated with controlling project system integrated with the PP. Okay. So these are the things we will discuss in the project system stage. There is a investment management, there is a project system, integration with the SD, FI, CO, and PP. Okay. These are the things we will discuss. Next, there would be, what is that? There would be deep profile for customer project, profile for customer project, and result analysis process. Next, we will discuss here. There would be result analysis. There is a work center, and composite planning, and timesheet, Time sheet planning. Time sheet planning. And after that, there is a resource planning. We will discuss, okay, CapEx, OpEx, integration with the procurement, sales, finance, like there is a controlling, okay. We will discuss for the customer projects, okay, vendor projects, everything we will discuss. Now you can ask the doubts. And Sharon and Raj, yeah, do you want to ask anything regarding to this one?
Okay.